to my cave. I'm just doing whatever I can do to give you guys the content that you want to see. Appreciate all the support you give me. Alright, so we're going to bring her in, because we just washed her up and everything, and I'm going to show you the difference between Monica 1.0 and 2.0. Alright? Alright. So, I'm not sure. Do you want to see her sitting up? Maybe. Yeah, maybe we can do that. We still have to put clothes on Monica, right? So what we'll do is let me grab the other Monica. Wow, what a difference, huh? So, I do have clothes on this Monica here. Alright, because I'm going to put clothes on. I'm going to put clothes on with Tantaly. Get the brand new Monica, alright? Here's the old Monica. So, she is 3 years old. Okay? And I've taken good care of her the best of my ability. Alright? As you can see, her nipples are kind of pushed in, but that's because of moving and years of other stuff. But look at the difference. Look at the difference here. This is why I love Tantaly so much. That's just this right here is just an old block for that moisture block I was telling you about. See, that's just this. But look at the difference, man. They know what they're doing. They made some good quality dolls here. Nice and firm. Really amazing product. You can feel the difference. It's because I haven't put. They have on their website powder that it's rejuvenation powder. All right, like these are hard. This is soft. All right. So what we're gonna do is, because you can get clothes off their website too. So what I'm gonna do is gonna put clothes on her. So I have another doll that I got, but that doll is not my doll. It's somebody else's that I gave them, and they didn't want this lingerie that they had. So we're gonna try and use this lingerie. It looks like it got discolored a little bit, maybe because it hasn't been washed. But we're gonna try and put that on the new Tantaly, all right? All right. Here we go. Maybe put our leg up. All right, so that's pretty much the clothes you can put on her. Easy clothes to put on. They have a whole bunch of selections on Tantaly. All right, so with my code you can get 10% off, but also with Valentine's Day is rolling around, right? So you can get, I think it was 15% off. You can check it. Just sign up with their email. All right. And I'm going to show you, we're going to put these girls together, side by side. Alright. Put these girls side by side, so you can see. All right. Two Monicas. The one on the right is Monica 1.0, and the one on the left is Monica 2.0. All right. Amazing product, I'm telling you. As always, this video was sponsored by Tantaly. I thank you so much, Tantaly, for sending me out another Monica. Cannot wait to make more content with the new Monica, because she looks so fun. Thank you so much again. There should be a QR code on this video, or a bunch of videos that I have. We're going to make sure to make a lot more content. So the QR code for me should be on that video, and it should be Edgar10, I believe. Worst case, you'll see it on the video. And hopefully you guys enjoyed my whole video that I just made for this. Thank you.